let's take a look at this app. It's called Dub AI. It's a dubbing app where you can just, oops, not this one. So I actually got this one, Dub AI, AI deepfake video cloning. So here, for example, you can just create AI video. So you just select who you want to create the video and then tap and hold to record or write your text here. So for example, hi there, this is a text message I'm recording on my phone. Then you can just edit it and then you just dub in. Unfortunately, you need to upgrade to use this feature. And then it's just generating for you. So this is how it's working. I must say that during this process, my phone is actually getting quite heated. Also, probably because of like screen recording, and I have iPhone 14 Pro, so But anyhow, let's just see.
Hi there. This is a text message I'm recording on my phone.
So as you can see, this is the result.
Hi there. This is a text message I'm recording on my phone.
Pretty cool. So then, yeah, you can just have it here. Then there's AI clone. You can clone. Then there's AI music, which you can just generate from here. So you can create your own. And then there's history, AI video, AI music, or AI clone. So that's the app. That's the idea. And
click continue now to get started and
here
unlock
you can
hundreds.
see that you're using some tokens for this app, and if you're going over the limit, you need to purchase more tokens. But in the nutshell, that's the app.